So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing super fine. So yeah, for this video that I've put a little extra effort. That is, I am recording on my mobile and recording the video on my mobile and audio on my laptop. So yeah, basically what I will be doing in today's video is basically speak on the portfolio part. How a designer should keep their portfolio and what and all should be kept in their portfolio. And yeah, there is even something surprise in the end of the video, so stick on till end. I'll begin with my videos to today's topic. So the portfolio should consist of 5 to 6 important things. I'll be mentioning one by one. So yeah, the first one is basically what the application is and what problem it is solving. And before that, there is something called problem. Problem should be listed on the on your first page, first sheet, or whatever it is, first artboard, wherever you are designing. It's basically uh, first part should show the problem, and then you should come on what the application is and how is it solving the particular problem, that one. And then if you come down a little down, there you should have your more on your user persona, your how, what user research you have done, what user interviews you have done. That should be there in the bottom part. And yeah, next you should actually put your low fidelity wireframe, or if you have worked on the logo part should come. And with the logo you should have to show your maybe your uh, low fidelity of your logo frame, your pen paper work, and then you show your what colors you have used in the logo, what is your branding. If you have done logo part, if you're not done, it's fine. You may not need to add logo, but yeah, keeping a logo is always a plus point. So yeah, after that logo you will have to look into this thing of maybe there are a few low fidelity images which you have drawn on pen and paper, where you will be designing on the pen and paper. And then you will be putting it in your, maybe there are a lot of tools nowadays, something called wireframe.cc. There is a lot of tools which you can actually see for basic things, basic low fidelity wireframes. So that is there. After that, after showing your low fidelity wireframes, then you will have to show your wireframes, basically the high fidelity ones. There is nothing. I'll have to see. I'll make a few more videos on uh, the fidelities, types of fidelity of markups and wireframes. So yeah, in this video, yeah, I'll be speaking only on the portfolio part. So then you'll have your high fidelity wireframes, where you will be showing a lot of screens, whatever screens you have done, what screens are there, what screen should be there, the user interface part. The first part you will have to show the user experience, then the user interface comes in. And then there is this very unique thing. If you want, you can add it, it's optional. There is this markups of, if you have done on a mobile application, then you will have to add a mobile screen using maybe a little 3D effect, something aesthetic based. So this is optional. And then in the end you will have to put your thank you. So yeah, that is there. After that, that's it. You can actually upload your, there are a lot of sources where you can upload your portfolios. Basically there is Behance, there is Dribble. I would recommend you to use Behance as it is completely free, and you can actually even make Adobe Portfolio in that itself. There is a mm, there is a Adobe Portfolio where it gives a complete website only for you, syncing in from the Behance. So that you can look into. You need not to create your own website, pay money to the developers. You need not do that. You need not pay money for your portfolio. You will have to create your own portfolio in such a way that it is completely free, and it helps you earn money, not lose money. So keeping in your mind, it's basically like you paying for a job, completely pointless. So yeah, that one you'll have to look. You'll have to not pay for the portfolio. You can actually, if you're a developer, you're most certain you can actually go with your uh, designing your own website and putting your portfolio. That's good, that's great. But yeah, I would recommend you to stay as cost effective as possible in the portfolio part. So yeah, that's it about the portfolio thing. And for the surprise, you can actually, I'll put in a website's link called Marvin.com, where you can find all the mobile screens of all the applications of all mobile screens, where you can actually get inspiration from for your onboarding screen, for your sign up page, for your login page, whatever that page be. If you have a competition also, you can go through that. I will put the link in the below, as well as I'll try to put it in I also. So yeah, this is it for the video. I hope you have got something informative, and yeah, do share this video with your designer friends whom you think it'll help. I will not again ask for you to share it with everyone. And yeah, do like my video, comment on my video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. And yeah, see you in the next video.